Keeping aloe vera plant in bedroom offers many benefits that contribute to a healthier and more comfortable bedroom environment. First and foremost, aloe vera plant is known for its air purifying properties. It absorbs carbon dioxide and toxins and releases oxygen, especially at night, which can help improve air quality while you sleep. In fact, NASA has recognized aloe vera as one of the top air-improving plants, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms. The oxygen-boosting capabilities, in addition to cleaner air, means better breathing and deeper, more restful sleep. Additionally, the plant's calming and soothing appearance can create an atmosphere that promotes relaxation and a sense of well-being. Aloe vera releases moisture into air, which increases humidity levels in the room. Maintaining adequate humidity levels in your bedroom can prevent dry skin, sinus problems and discomfort while sleeping. This is particularly beneficial during dry seasons. One of aloe vera's most well-known benefits is its healing properties. Having an aloe vera plant in your bedroom means you have easy access to its soothing gel, which can be used to treat minor skin irritations, burns, or insect bites. Just break off a leaf and apply the gel directly to the affected area for faster healing. The gel can be used as a natural moisturizer, helping to hydrate the skin without making it greasy. As per Vaastu and Feng Shui, aloe vera promotes happiness, prosperity, positive energy and a calm atmosphere. It creates a more relaxing environment. Aloe vera has many spiritual benefits, including clearing negative energy from both the environment and the human spirit, and brings protection, healing, balance, and growth into your home. Always keep the aloe vera plant in the east or north direction to attract positivity in the house. Aloe vera plants are easy to care for. They don't require much water or sunlight, making them a great addition to any bedroom. A little water every few weeks, and it's good to go. Its compact size means it can fit on a windowsill or bedside table. Keeping an aloe vera plant in your bedroom is an easy way to improve your space and your well-being.
Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.